Hello po at isang magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay November 8, 2022, Tuesday. 47 days na lang, Pasko na. Mabuhay po kayo at welcome po sa isang edition ng The Stock Market Today. Ang ating balita na isa-share sa inyo ay tungkol sa earnings report ng SM Prime Holdings. Ako po si Benji Chodoro, isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Binabalita ko po araw-araw ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stocks sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, niimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review o mga tanong tungkol sa stock market o tungkol sa wealth management, paki-comment lang po sa comment box at aking bibigyang pansin. Hindi po ako financial advisor, mas nasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Get well soon, Marie, while praying for your swift recovery. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, November 8, 2022, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Sige, tignan po natin ang ating financial headlines. GIR up slightly to US dollar 94.1 billion in October. Government borrows partially on higher rates. International Container Terminal 9-month 2022 profit surges 47% year-on-year. SMPH 9-month 22 net income up 41% year-on-year to 22 billion. Ito pong ating main news. And ASEN completes SLTEC divestment through ETM transaction. SLTEC is the South Luzon Thermal Energy Corporation. Ito yung ginive up nila yung kanilang coal-fired plant. Here, no? I think they sold it. So let's now go to our main news at dito po yan matatagpuan sa ating from Business World. SM Prime income yearly doubles to 7.9 billion. SM Prime Holdings Inc. consolidated net income almost doubled to 7.9 billion in the third quarter from 4 billion in the same period last year, after booking higher revenues as economic conditions improve. We are happy to report very encouraging result of our third quarter operations, which is aligned with the improvement in the local economy, SM Prime President Jeffrey C. Lim said in a press release. Meanwhile, the company's consolidated revenues climbed by 73.8% to 27.3 billion from the 15.7 billion it posted a year ago. SM Prime's consolidated operating income rose to 13.3 billion in the third quarter, more than twice the 5.5 billion operating income last year. With this result, we are ready to proceed with our business plans to continually deliver value for our stakeholders, Mr. Lim said. Okay, so yan po ang ating main news at tingnan natin kung meron pong commentary si BDO Sec. Ang sabi niya, SMPH 9-month 22 results came in line with our expectations, more or less 73% of the full year 22 forecast earnings. We shall obtain more information. Meron pa pala itong I think briefing, kasi neutral yung rating niya. And then in addition to that, we have also some special reports here on Aboitiz Equity Ventures, and the rating is neutral. Ang sabi niya dito, power subsidiary AP appears more attractive. Action valuation maintain neutral, target price raised to 60 pesos. from 59. So piso lang ang tinaas, ano? Pero neutral po siya. An implied upside rather of 4.9%. Power and banking are the core income drivers for now, but the future is in infrastructure. So AEB has recently been active in growing its presence in the infrastructure space with a 25 billion acquisition of GMCAC, operator of the Mactan Airport, and in partnership with Edge Connex to develop data centers. Okay, the next one is on ICTSI, reiterate by following earnings beat. So the target price remains at 279 and it is still a buy rating. ICT 9-month profit surges 47% year on year and tops estimates. Volume growth largely driven by Asia ports. Tariff growth robust across America, EMEA, and Asia. Tariff adjustments likely to offset cost pressures. So yan po ang International Container Terminal. And the next special report is on Metrobank. So recovering loan growth and improving margins, maintains the buy rating, and the target price remains at 68 pesos per share. Yan po yung target price. 9-month income up 45% year on year in line with estimates. Loan growth accelerated to 12%. NPL risk largely covered. Keep buy with a target price of 68. So yan po ang ating main report. And now let's go to our Philippine Stock Exchange Index and the Philippine Stock Exchange on what transpired today. Okay, bago tayo pumunta sa index, I'd like to share with you this, I think I missed this earlier. San Miguel unit starts tender offer for minority shares in Eagle Cement. So basically, ang tender offer will be for the shares of the minority stakeholders, It will be for the 11.5% of Eagle Cement shares, which will it started yesterday, November 7 until December 5. And this is in compliance with the SEC code SME2. And the requirement is to conduct a tender offer to acquire a total of all the shares of Eagle Cement, The price is 22.02. So tignan po natin ang presyo ng Eagle Cement ngayon, which is higher than the volume-weighted average price of Eagle Cement for 1 year preceding the date of the disclosure. So tignan po natin ang nangyari kay Eagle Cement today. In the meantime, so let's check the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. The Philippine Stock Exchange Index ended almost flat, losing 6.48 points or 0.10%. Nasa 6289.10 ang ating index. Bumaba po ng bahagyang lamang po. Pero on the short and medium term ay bullish pa rin po siya, paakyat, Ang ating all-share index ay bumaba ng 0.18% or 5.82 points, Ang financials at ang properties ang mga sectors na umakyat, led by properties at 1.37%. Samantalang ang holding companies, industrials, mining at services ay bumaba, led by mining at 2.30% down. So yung mga stocks na titingnan po natin ay nilista ko na po dito. Titingnan po natin ang Eagle, ICT, SMPH at MBT. Ito po yung nasa news kanina. Meron po tayong special report dito. At tingnan natin yung top active stocks, BDO at si Ali. Yan po. So, umpisa na po natin kay Eagle. Eagle nasa 2202. So, ending almost flat, 5 centavos up Pero, umakyat lang po siya ng bahagya, no? Simula po dito, nung nagkaroon ng announcement yesterday, umakyat po siya ng, ang closing po niya ay 21.50 or 1.90% up to 21.55, 21 pesos 55 centavos. So, selling or buying, the price is at a discount pa rin, no? Kasi December pa po ito eh. But oversold or overbought na po ang stock, and it just gained 5 centavos today. Meantime, support nandito po sa area to, nasa 18.52. Samantalang ang 21.55 ay already, it's the highest already, no? But the resistance, malalagay po natin dito based on a few candlesticks that we see dito sa 2091. So, yan po si Eagle. And then si ICT naman ay ended with a doji. And there was a breakout yesterday, Breakout po ito. So, meron pong surge na 6.86% with above average volume, which is the highest in more than a month, no? And it is already bullish based dito sa ating chart. Support nasa 180 and resistance area na po ito, but pwede pa nating i-plot yung next resistance level. Nandito po sa 193, more or less po. 193 hanggang 200 or 193 to 195 ang next resistance level po ni ICT. At kung mapapansin nyo po, nagkaroon po siya ng doji dito. Mukhang nagkakaroon ng consolidation siya. Although the RSI is still up at 57, no? Bullish pa rin po siya. And recall that there was an oversold level here. Kung bumili po kayo dito, kumita po kayo. Yan po. Kasi bihirang po mag-oversold si ICT. So, it's already bullish with RSI at a bullish number of 57.83. Pagkatapos naman si SMPH. Si SMPH ay, yan, may continuation po siya. Although, hindi po siya breakout, Hindi po ito breakout. So, nagkaroon po siya ng continuation at umakyat po siya ng 2.06%, nasa 34 na po, no? And take note, there was an oversold level here. So, kung nakabili po kayo dito at a price of 30.10, nasa 34.70. So, you earned about 450, no? 460 ang kinita po ninyo kung nakabili po kayo dito sa oversold level na ito. Yan po, si SM. Support is here. Yan natin dito sa 30 hanggang 31 pesos ang support. Samantalang ang resistance, nandyan po sa 30, nasa 36.60 to 36.70. So, bullish po si SM on the short and medium term. Si Metrobank naman, MBT, magaganda numbers niya, no? Uy, above the candlestick. Although, mukhang nagko-consolidate, no? Ito po yung consolidation area. So, nagkaroon po siya ng surge dito, although this is not a breakout. Then, there was a consolidation period which started October 19, ano? And the earnings report is very good. So most probably, since under the candlestick po ang ating mga indicators, ay aakyat pa po yung stock in all probability. Yan po, no? Ito po yung parabolic SAR. The buy signal started here. Yan po. When the price was, the closing was 50.95, nasa 52 na po. So, there's a gain of 1 peso more or less. So, support po ni Metrobank nasa 48 pesos. The resistance, malalagay po natin dito sa 53. Yan, more or less po. 53.40. Okay? BDO naman, si BDO ay umaakyat si BDO ha. Bullish po siya. And BDO is moving up and there is another breakout here with a gap up. So maganda po ang numbers ni BDO. So kamakailan lang nasa 111 po ito bihira po mag-oversold si BDO. So it was near oversold levels pero the last oversold level was here July or June 30, 2022. At dito near oversold na po ito nasa 33. 3 points na lang oversold na. Pero yan po yan po ang kwento ni BDO. So if you were able to buy here at 110, dito po ang presyo po niya, closing price is 111 So kita pa rin po kayo dito. Yan po. Okay, support. Ito po. Nasa 112 but the higher support is here. Malalagay po natin dito yung higher support level. Yan po. Nasa 122 to 123 ang higher support level. And the resistance, the next higher resistance, nasa 137.50 more or less po ang abangan natin ng next resistance level ni BDO. Okay, there's another higher support which I see nandito po sa 130. So kwenta ang pinaka nearest support level nasa 130 to 131 and the higher support is at 137.50. Finally, we have Ali. Maganda kaya ang yan, nagre-recover po si Ali at may dividendo po siya ha. May cash dividends. Tapos na yung ex-date niya. Payment date is November 18. Anyway, just moving sideways si Ali. And it seems to be recovering. Support nasa 22.75. And here, nagkaroon po siya ng breakout, no? Noong October 18. And right now, it is consolidating. Yan po yung consolidation area. Nagpo-pull back po siya. Another term for consolidation. So, ang pinaka-support niya nandito, but the resistance and possibly the next support level would be here at 26. But the resistance next higher nandito po sa 29.60 to 30 pesos is the next resistance level. Take note, nag-oversold po si Ali dito sa area to. So, the price here then was 25 pesos. 25 pesos po siya. Ngayon, nasa 26 na po. I'm sorry, hindi pala 25 to. Closing was 22.85 or 23 pesos. So, ngayon, nasa 26 na po. So, 3 pesos na po ang kanyang itinaas. Okay, so yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-8 ng Nobyembre. Ito po si Benji Chidoro nagpapaalala. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik at hanggang sa muli. Stay safe. God bless and bye for now.